Hi friends, this is Miss Kiss, and last week we learned about Vincent van Gogh. We looked at 3 of his works of art. We looked at Starry Night, the sunflowers, and the bedroom. We were able to identify organic lines and able to see that organic lines can create movement in a painting. Now next week you will learn about Wassily Kandinsky, and he's a famous artist that was famous for creating abstract compositions. Now, in his works of art, he used linear lines, organic lines, as well as geometric shapes. Some of the shapes he used were squares, circles, and triangles. So I can't wait to share this lesson with you next week. So I'll see you in art class. Please watch the video below, and you will be able to see what inspired Kandinsky to create his art.